morning to all. And yesterday we solved some question in that in acidic medium. So today we are going to solve ionic equation in basic medium. Ionic equation in basic medium. So which method we are discussing? We are discussing ion electron method. What is that? Ion electron method means half reaction method. That is half reaction method. Half reaction method. Half reaction method. And this is also known as ion electron method. Ion electron method. Okay. And yesterday we discussed in basic, in acidic medium. So today we are going to discuss it basic medium. Just medium is basic. So where is difference? I will tell you how to solve equation in basic medium. Okay. So I am taking one example. It is from your book only. It is a question first from 88.18. So it is question is this here. MnO4 minus plus I minus gives here MnO2 plus I. This is a reaction. This is a reaction. I will solve. So I wrote it, and here first we will find oxidation and reduced part. Means first we have to find half part. Means oxidation part and a reduced part. Means half reaction, oxidation part and reduction part. Okay. So here if I am writing here, just to see. First we will try to find two equations, two half equations. So first half equation is this: MnO4 is changing to MnO2. Yes. And second is here I minus is changing to I2 here. So what is the oxidation state here? Oxidation state of Mn is what is here minus there. So this is +7 and there +2. +2. You can calculate also. And here oxidation state is -1 and there 0. So just all of the sheet here oxidation number is decreasing. So this is a reduction. What is this is reduction. Okay, and here oxidation number is increasing. Oxidation number is increasing. So here oxidation number is increasing. So this is oxidation. Oxidation. So we got two half parts, means two half reactions we got. And now we will solve each half part, then we will add. Okay, so I can write this equation first and to this equation second. Here, just we are remember it. We are solving in basic medium. Okay, so where is difference in solving equation in basic medium? That I will inform you. What extra steps you have to do if you are solving a reaction in basic medium? What extra step you have to do in basic medium? So first, I wrote here. Yes, I am writing here. What is this? So from here, I am writing. This is MnO4 minus 2 MnO2. MnO2 here. So just to see, Mn is balanced. Mn, one Mn is there, and other is there. Okay, so we can balance it here. Okay, so we can see here. So how many O is there? 2 is there, and here 4. So we will add 2H2O to balance here. Oxygen. I have added 2H2O because 2 more oxygen on this side, so I have added 2H2O that side. Okay. Next is that we will go to hydrogen. So how many hydrogen are there? That side, this right side, here 4 hydrogen, on this side no hydrogen. So total is 4. So what we will do? We will do here 4H plus. 4H plus. Okay, 4H plus. Now we will balance the charge. Now we will balance the charge. So how we can balance the charge? Okay, we have to use electron because we are solving equation by ion electron method. So we will use electron. So this side, if I calculate this, how much is charge? So just you see -1 and +4 equal +3 is there. Yes or no? I think yes. Yeah, +3 and that side more charge. So what we will do here? What we will do? We will add here. We will add what? +3 electron. +3 electron. So this equation, half equation, and we will write name third to this. So half is balanced. The next you see here. Next one is just to see I minus is changing to I2. I2. So if that side 2, right side 2, and left side 1. So I will multiply by 2. Okay, got it? And after that, just to see, after that, no other atoms are there. So we have not to think about this. What things are not present, we have not to think. Here, -2 charge is there, that side 0 charge. So how we can balance, how we can make equal, we will add 2 electrons that side, and now half equation is balanced. Okay, and I can write this here equation number 4. That is equation number 4. Just after this, what steps you followed? You followed means you added equation. But before adding, you check number of electrons in half equation are equal or not. So equation 3 is half equation. Equation 4 is also half equation. So let us see number of electrons are equal or not. So I think number of electrons are not equal. And here 2 electrons on that side. How much is there? That side, this side 2. On that side, how much is there? How much? Okay. So here 3 electron is there. So how we can balance it? If I multiply this equation by 2, so that will be 6 electron, and this by 3, so it will be 6 electron. So what I am going to do? I am going to multiply equation. So multiply equation third with 2 and equation 4, equation 4 with what is 2 with 2. So I think it is here. So after multiplying, what will be there? Just to see, I multiply this by 2. This one I multiplied this 1 minute. Let me check here. Equation 3 is being multiplied by 2 and equation 4 is being multiplied by 3. Sorry, students, here it will be multiplied by 3. Okay, so don't wait until. Now, if we are multiplying this, what will be? This one is being multiplied, equation third is being multiplied by 2. So what will be? 2 MnO2, sorry, 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus, yes, plus 6 electrons gives out here 2 MnO2 plus 4H2. So this equation is being written as 5. Yeah, 5. And next one, this one is 4 is being multiplied by 3. So what will be? Just to see, 6 I minus gives out here 3 I2 plus 6 electrons. This is equation number 6. Yes? Here. So now add both equations. Add both equations. Okay? Add both equations. Here. I'm adding here. So just see what are the common both sides, we will cancel. If equal, we will cancel. 6 electron this side, 6 electron that side. We can cancel. So what is remaining? We will write. Okay. So let us see here. Just all of us look at board here. This one 2 MnO4 minus plus 6i minus plus 8h plus here. Next gives out here 2 MnO2 plus 3i2 plus 4h2. 4h2. Here, just you see 2 MnO4 minus plus 6i minus plus 8h plus gives out 2 MnO2 plus 3i2 plus 4h2. We got up to here. Okay. And next is just you see being basic medium. Just to see. Now we are going to do exercise. A being basic medium, how much hydrogen is present in this equation, that much OH will be added on both sides. So how much hydrogen is present here? H plus. How much is that? Is 8. How much is it? It is 8. So what we will do? 8 OH we will add this side and 8 OH we will add that side. So understood this? What I told one more time. Here, how much hydrogen ions remaining are present in this equation, that much OH will be added both sides. So how much is that? AH ion is there. So we will add 8 OH. Just to say, right? 8 OH minus here. 8 OH minus this side and A plus 8 OH minus that side. Okay. So place is not there, so I am writing this and I will write here outside. Just you can see, I am going to write outside here. Just all of you see. So what we got here, just all of you see, this one very important here. So what is this? Again, I am going to write here 2 MnO2, 2 MnO4, sorry, plus 6i minus, just to see, 8h plus and 8OH minus. So we can write it as 8H2O. When we break H2O, so it breaks into H plus and OH minus. So if same is there, we can write 8H2. In place of this, we can write 8H2. So what I wrote here, plus 8H2 gives out here, just to see, 8H2O, then 2 MnO2 plus 3i2 plus 4h2 plus 8OH minus. Got it? Here. So some students are thinking both sides H2O is there, as sir has not subtracted, not balancing. Yes. So what we can there? Here this side 8H2O, this side 8H2O. 1 minute, students. Yes. Here this side 8H2O and that side 4H2O. So what can be done? Like that transferring, we can subtract from that. Okay. So what will be next is that will be subtracted from this. So we can write it 2 MnO4 minus plus 6i and 8. From 8 we will subtract 4. So that will be plus 4 H2O gives out 2 MnO2 plus 3i2 plus 8OH minus. So this is valence ionic equation. This is valence ionic equation. You can see clearly here. This is valence ionic equation. Okay, students. This is valence ionic equation. So what I told, what extra steps we have to do in basic medium when we will add. Just come to the point when we will add both half equation. Here, like this. When we will add both half equation, then how much hydrogen is remaining? How much hydrogen is remaining? We will add that much OH both side of the equation, and then They will solve 4 steps we will take. So what I have done here, there was 8H plus, so I have added 8 OH minus and 8 OH minus that side. And here I wrote this equation again, this, and here. Just to know that if we are breaking H2O, so it breaks H plus and OH minus. This H is same and OH is same. So if we have 8H plus and 8OH minus, so we can write 8H2O there. Can we written it? So I have written that only. Okay. And 2MnO2, 3I2, 4H2O, and 8OH minus. And what I have done, last step in that, I have seen that both sides oxygen H2O is present. So I have to subtract, I have to solve H2O. So from that, for next step, what I have done, from this, that I have subtracted, and again I wrote my percent 2MnO4 plus 6Hi minus and plus 4H2O and 2MnO2 plus 3I2 plus 8OH minus. So this is balance and equals. Got it? Here, all of you got it? So here we solve. We will take another example. So I am going to take another example here. So let us see other example. So example is like this, and we will solve it and we will understand. And it depends on practice. How much practice you do at home? How much practice do at home? Because it depends on practice. So if doubt is there, you can clear it also by watching this video twice. Okay. So next equation, what I'm going to is this. Just you see, I have written from your book only. So you can solve this, and these questions I have taken from your exercise. So it will help you to solve exercises. Okay. So second, I am taking here. Just to see here. This I am taking. Just all of you see. Here I have taken N2H4. It is from your exercise. N2H4 plus ClO3 single minus gives NO plus Cl minus. This is the equation. This is the equation. So it is from your book only, and it is from 8.19. This question is from 8.19. You can see from there. Okay. So we don't know half fraction. So first we will break it into half parts. So I wrote here just to see N2H4 gives what? And yes, first part, and ClO3 minus gives here Cl minus. So now we can write oxidation number. So what will be the oxidation number? Oxidation number is -2 there, and there +2. Okay. And here oxidation number is +5. Many students are thinking that our cell is directly right. So don't be tense about that. If you will practice, you will be also able to write directly. Okay. Here. So let us say 5, and there already -2. So this one is, what is this? Can you say it? This one is oxidation number is increasing. So this is oxidation. Okay. Here. And this one is +5 is going to -1. +5 is going to -1. So this is, what is it? This is a reduction. Yes? A reduction. Okay. Reduction. So we got two half part, one oxidation part and one reduced part. Means one half reaction method is oxidation and other half is reduction. So now we will take half reaction and we will try to balance here. So first I will take first. So I can write equation first. So equation first and equation second. So it is more better if I divide it both into half. Half I will balance this side and half will be balance that side. So first I am writing here, just to see this one. N2H4 gives, just to see, and follow the steps. Means don't take it very lengthy. Don't take it very lengthy. Just do some calculation in your mind also. So it will help you to reduce the time. Otherwise, it will take 3 pages, 2 pages to solve simple question. Okay, so just step up here. So let us say here, first part I have taken, that is the question first. So just you see number of nitrogen this side, 2, that side. So I will multiply by 2. Yes, I will multiply by 2. I multiplied, this side was 2, here, this side is 2, that side 1, so I have multiplied that by 2. Okay, next we will see hydrogen. Next we will see oxygen. So how many oxygen that side? How many oxygen is there? Number of oxygen is 2, and this side no oxygen. So what we can do? We can add for oxygen. What we add? We add H2. So how many oxygen on that side? 2. So we will add 2H2. Okay, 2H2. Understood this? Next, we will move to hydrogen. So how many hydrogens are this side? How many hydrogens are this side? Just let us see. 4 plus 4. Got it? 4 plus 4. Total is 8. And that side, no hydrogen. And we add H plus for hydrogen. So I have added 8H plus. So I will add it again here. And 2H4 plus 2H2 gives out, just to say, 2NO plus 8H plus. Okay, got it. Now we will see the charges. We will see the charge. So that side, what 8 positive charges there, and this side no charge, 0 charge, and that side 8 positive charge. Okay, so we have to balance charge by adding electron. So how many electrons can be added? If I add 8 electron here, that will be charge will be balanced. Okay, so this equation can be written like this. Just you all have to see. And 2H4 plus 2H2O gives out 2NO plus 8H plus 8 electrons. Okay, so I can write this equation as equation 1. I have taken it. Now I am moving to second part of this. So I am writing here, this is ClO3 minus gives here Cl minus. Okay, so Cl is balanced, no problem for us, no problem. Cl, 1 Cl, and this is also 1 Cl. That is balanced. What we will see? Now oxygen is there, so we will see oxygen. So in oxygen, how many oxygens are there? Just all of here. Number of oxygen is 3. We will do here 3 H2O. What we use to balance oxygen? We use H2O to balance oxygen. So 3 oxygens are that side. So I have added 3 H2O this side. And now this side hydrogen, that side hydrogen. So we have to balance hydrogen also. So what we will do? How many hydrogens are this side? How many hydrogens are this side? Total hydrogen is 6, and this side no hydrogen. What can be done? 8 hydrogens can be added. 8 hydrogens plus can be added. Got it? Till here, clear? Just thumb up if it is clear. That's raise your hand. I will understand. Okay. So yes. Now this we see. Now we are going to see the charges. So how much charge? Just let us see here. I am writing because you may not be confused. How much charge is there? Just to see 1 minus, yes, and 8 plus. So how much it will be? 9 plus 7. This side and that side. How much is that? Just let us see. How much is that? How much is that? Here. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Got it? So if I transfer this, so what will be total will be 8 plus. Yes or no? This is clear? 12. This is clear? Means here. This side means total charge is 8 plus. Got it? Just thumb up if you understood. Just thumb up. Not understanding? Let me tell you. Just all of you see. Some students have confused. -1 plus 8. That is plus, what is it? Plus 7 and here -1. So simple example I am writing here. Just -1 plus 8 equal -1. This I wrote. This side and that here. Okay. So what we can solve it? Plus 7 and what we can see here? We will take that this side because positive is more this side. So here plus 7 equal -1. Yes. So if we are taking that, we are transferring this side. So plus 7 and plus 1 equal 8 plus. Got it? Now got it? It is mathematics. So this much mathematics you have studied. Huh? This much mathematics you studied or not? Okay. So how much is there? We can see 8 positive charges. So if 8 positive charges there, so what we have to do? We have to add 8 electrons this side. Now charge also balance. Just how, if you have doubt, still you have doubt, I will clear it. Clear this. 8 minus and 8 plus 0. 0, 8 plus and 8 minus. 1 minus this side and 1 minus that side. So that both are remaining. So charge balance or not? That balance or not? Some students have a doubt about this. So you solve it, it will be clear. Okay. So again I can write here because this is chemistry class, not math class. So what is necessary that much I will do. Okay. 8H plus and 8 electrons here. This you see Cl minus plus 3H2. Okay. This I wrote. Sorry students, one point I am missing here. Just all of you see here. Here, just you see here. By mistake, in place of 8, I wrote 6. Is in place of 6, I wrote 8. Okay, now it is clear. Because hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen is there, and this at 6. So we will write here. Sorry. Here. So same as what we will add? We will add 6 electrons. Okay? And here we can do what? 6. And that will be 6 electrons. Understood this? Now clear? Clear? So just you see, I am writing this equation as equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now we got 2 half equations. One is third and one is fourth. So what? We are going to add both half equations. We are going to add both half equations. Just allow me see. So both half equations we are going to add. But what we have seen there, in this 8 electron, in that 6 electron. So what is the lowest common multiple of 8 and 6? That is 24. That is 24. Okay. So we can make it 24. We can make it 24. So what we can do? We can multiply this by 3. This equation 3 is being multiplied by 3 and equation 4 is being multiplied by 6. Got it? Here. So multiply equation just 3 with what is that? 3 and equation 4 with 6. Got it? It will multiply just by which number we are multiplying this? Equation 3 is being multiplied by 3. So what is that? Just all of you write here. 3 and 2H4 plus 3 and 2H4 plus 9 H2O. Sorry, 6 H2O, not 9. 6 H2O gives out 6 6NO plus, let's see, 24H plus, and here 24 electrons. This is equation number 5. Yes, and equation number 4 is being multiplied by 6. So what we can do? Equation number, students, one here. Equation number 4 is multiplied with 6 is, so what is we can use? 4. Equation number 4 is being multiplied by 4. So equation 4, what we do, like 4 ClO3 minus plus 24H plus 24 electrons gives out 4Cl minus plus 12H2. This is equation number 6. Got it? Add both equations. What are the common and equal, you can consider here. So first we will see electron this side, electron that side, common, and some more points common. Just see. Hydrogen 24 hydrogen this side, 24 hydrogen that side also we can consider. Okay. So what is remaining? We can write. Just you will see here 3N2H4 plus, just you write here 4 ClO3 minus, and just use 6H2 this side and 12H2 is that side. So which one is lesser? This one is lesser. So this will be separated from that side. So H2 will be written that side, right side. Okay. Here gives out 6NO plus 4Cl minus plus 12 minus 6 means 12 minus 6. How much is that much? You know, 12 minus 6. You know, Anna. I think that much. Starting blood, na subtraction, other things blood. So here that will be 6H2. And one point I would like to find you here. There is no hydrogen, means there is no H ion here. So need not to add OH ion. There is no H ion. In the previous question, you see that there was H plus. But in this question, 1 minute, maybe not visible here. Just a thing. So, yeah. So in this, if you see question after adding, here you can see question after adding. So what you have seen, there is no hydrogen. Yes, there is no H plus. So need not to add OH minus. If H plus is there, being basic medium, we will add OH minus. How much is there? We add. So I think you have understood. So I'm giving you some questions, and please you try to solve it by yourself. Okay. So I'm writing here. Otherwise, you can see in your book that is 8.19. So one question I have solved, and 2 or 3 questions are remaining in that. So all the portions of that question 8 point you have to solve 8.19. All the questions, right? All the questions you have to solve it. You have to solve it. All the questions of 8.19. Okay. In that, just you see the question is long, but you solve that by ion left-hand method in basic medium. It is mentioned that is in basic medium. So we'll solve in basic medium. Okay. So this is the steps you can solve. So I am going to unmute you, and those who have doubt, they can ask the questions. If some doubt is there, you can ask. Okay.